Hi there, I'm just doing a tour of my room for you, just going to show you around. Now I am staying at Zafiro Alzinar Mar in Picafort Mallorca. I'm just going to show you, this is the junior suite room. It's a single use, so this is the seating area. Got a couch, a chair here, and we've got over here, we've got we've got a desk or dressing table down here, and we've got a mirror here, we've got a mirror here. Also we've got in here, we've got a fridge, a mini fridge here, which is nice to have. This is the bathroom in here. I'm just going to turn the light on. This is the light here. Nice, we've got a nice big mirror that covers the whole wall here. You also got hand towels, a hair dryer and a shaving mirror here. Also, this is the toilet here. I'm just going to also got the toilet here, and it's the flushing unit, and in here is the shower, which is a very good shower, and this is a stack here for more hand towels and full-size towels. As I say, it's got a TV here, and it's got British TV, it's got a French TV, it's got German TV, so and also Spanish. Also down here, this is the bed. It's actually two single beds bunched together, but they're comfortable. And lastly, in here we have a big wardrobe. We have a wardrobe in here, and in each side we've got these nightstands here. I'm actually going to demonstrate the nightstand here. Okay, as you can see here, I'm not using this side, so open the drawer, it's off close, so you don't slam it. And this is also got a big window here, a very large window, and got a nice view out onto the pool. Also, lastly, oh yes, this area here, this is a place for putting your shoes and your suitcase. I feel like very much. And here, this is your balcony. You've got two chairs here, a table, and also a dryer for your beach towels and your swimsuits, which is pretty good. I'm not going to lean because it was been raining yesterday. It's been raining yesterday, so this is it here. This is the hotel, and thank you very much.